Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the LCN number 4040XP-72 in a 689. This is a replacement plastic cover only for the LCN 4040XP series closers. And what's nice is it features this sort of compression holder that will allow you to just snap it or push it down onto the cylinder. This insert here can be, the holder itself can be pulled out and moved over here depending on how the closer is installed based on the hand of the door. A couple of preparations here for you to screw it to the iron body as well, so that that can't just be easily pulled off. And why would you buy the cover only? Well, it's been probably vandalized or taken off, removed, accidentally thrown away. Overall width is about 12 1/8. Overall height, about 3 1/2. Overall projection looks like it's about 2 1/8 as well. This is, of course, the AL finish, or the aluminum sprayed finish. Again, why would you need this? Well, it could be aesthetics. It could just be someone pulled it off and it looks awful without its cover on. You do see that pretty often. It's been pulled off intentionally and lost, or unintentionally and lost, vandalized, graffiti. You see that all the time. Or it could be a code issue. Here's a trick question. If you have a door closer installed, if you have a 4040 XP installed, or any closer like it that has a cover that you put onto the closer on a fire-rated door, and that cover is missing, do you still have a fire-rated door? I would think to myself, well, in a fire test, that temperature is going to go to 1800 degrees in about 3 minutes and then park there for another 2 hours and 57 seconds. This closer cover is going to be long gone. Door is going to pass the test. It stays latched. There's no problem. The answer is you don't have a fire-rated door anymore, because it's not a technicality. It's just the way it is. It's the outline. The criteria is this: if the installation instructions for this closer call for it to be installed, then it has to be installed, because the factory tested it with the cover present during that test in order to make it permissible for use on fire doors. So I don't know. This could be a hospital where this is going to, or it could be a school. I believe it's a hospital, actually. And that would be absolutely the first type of place where you're going to have fire doors being inspected, which is called out in code for annual inspections, most likely. And they're missing closer covers, and they need closer covers to make their doors compliant, and without them they don't have compliant covers. So it used to just be someone, vandalized it, pulled on it, cracked it, threw it away, etc. Now, it's not. You don't have a code compliant door anymore. Let's switch to the screen view and just take a closer look at a little bit of supporting documentation. As we move through and review this, let's take a closer look at some photographs that we have. Right side view, the back side, and the underside as well. Forgive me, not the underside, the top side. Well, could be the top side, could be the underside as well, depending on your method of mounting. Parallel arm mount, you won't see this when you're looking up. Top jam mount, you'll certainly see that when you're looking up. Little close view. Those fasteners that will hold the cover onto the body, and then what keeps it clipped on, so to speak. Now, there's a link here below this video to the manufacturer's page. And before we go there, let's copy the 4040 XP-72, that manufacturer's page. That will allow us to review not only all of the LCN products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website here, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And let's click on that full product catalog, and then do a find function, Control F for 4040 XP-72. And you're going to get to the area where you can view that, where it's shown. Includes the 4040 XP 54 snap-on cover clip. There you go. So they can also do the cover in metal. I doubt that that's going to have a snap-on cover. It certainly won't. But the metal cover would be allowing you to do a painted finish or a plated finish, obviously. Other accessories for the 4040 XP-72 are in this entire section that is seen here. Arms, whatnot. Shows up, well, it's referred to all in the same 4040 XP section of the 464-page version of this catalog. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, you're going to find availability and access to parts for most LCN closers to be quite immediate. Very, very common, likely the most common commercial closer that's out there in terms of parts. They're going to be in stock. The arms, the cylinders, the screw packages, the accessory hardware like a flush transom bracket, different types of parallel arm brackets. Obviously the cover as well. All of the different finishes. Anything painted can be done on plastic. Anything plated can be done on that metal cover as well. And when you do a plated closer, like someone ordered a true satin chrome or an oil rub bronze, they're going to, it will be the cover and the arm as well, the exposed parts is what that will include. If you have any questions on the 4040-XP-72 cover or any other LCN product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.